On number 10, it shows this picture, and I did make a mistake on the review. This is supposed to be shaded in as well. Caitlin is saying that this is 5/8. And A asks, is Caitlin correct in what she's saying? With this picture, she isn't correct because she's looking at it as one whole altogether, when this is a whole and this is a whole. So 4/4, the denominator is the number of parts in one whole. So this is one whole and this is one whole. So the correct answer is 5/4 and not 5/8. B asked what you must clarify with Caitlin in order for her to understand that this is 5/4. And like I said, she needs to understand that this is a whole and this is a whole. And the denominator is the number of parts in one whole. And you could also draw what 5/8 looks like underneath the 1/4. And so you can show her that this is what 5/8 look like compared to that whole. And each of these are 1/8 or 5/8. Part C asks, what is another way that you can explain to Caitlin that this is 5/4? You could use a number line to help explain that this is 5/4. So you can start with your fourths. So draw your number line. We're going to start with 0. And here's 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 1, and 5/4. 1 is also 4/4. And then you can do your eighths. So this would be 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, and 7/8, and 8/8. Then you can mark on the number line where 5/8 is and where 5/4 is. 5/8 is right here, and 5/4 is right here. So 5/8 is less than 1, and 5/4 is greater than 1 because you have a whole shaded in. You have one whole and 1/4. And so this is how you would explain number 10.